Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the TikTok's AR Klee filter. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So Klee is a playable character from Ginseng Impact game who is best known for her expertise in explosives despite her young age. You can now create a video with that character on TikTok. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on search. Here, search for AR Klee. It should appear under effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now check out how others have used this filter. If you don't see this filter in your TikTok app, then it means it's not available in your region. You'll need to wait until TikTok releases it for your region. As you can see, other users have made videos with Klee on their screen. The trending music with the video is really catchy and it suits the video. So to use it, make sure you tap on Use this effect. Now to use this, I'll tap on Use Effect. And as you can see, you'll see Klee on your screen. You can move her anywhere you like. And using your finger, you can basically make it larger. Once you're ready, go ahead and tap on the record button to record your TikTok video. And that is how to use the TikTok's AR Klee filter. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.